So we are minutes away from Cars and Steaks. I finally ended up having lunch at 4 o'clock, at 4 something. But this is the third event of the day. We've got one more after this. Been cruising around with Keith and Andrew for a while in the 535 and the M4 with the Sheepy Race exhaust. But first fill up of the day. This should be enough for probably the rest of this weekend, maybe into next week. I don't know if there's any car meets going on, but I only drive this really to work otherwise. So yeah.
Their turnout is not how it normally is.
It's just starting.
Yeah, it's just kind of low.
I love this thing.
I didn't know you were coming.
Yeah. And then there's Rooftop later also.
Yeah, I might go to that.
I might as well.
I gotta study. I can exam on Monday.
Oh yeah. I love it. This is a good spec though. The high wing. This is
Forgiatos too.
Oh wait, it's that one. Okay. Dat C8, yo.
I guess you take that instead of Gerardo.
Those sound really good with a muffler delete.
Oh yeah? I saw a white one of those earlier today on the highway. Like, this guy lives in South Lake. He has 2 Mercies.
Oh, what a struggle. Which one should I take today?
Well, the white one is a pre-LP, and then the black one right here is an LP 640.
Okay. So he's got like the early ones.
Yeah. Well, I mean, technically, as far as early, the Mercy's a decade old.
I know, it's very weird to think of that.
So, I mean, whenever I was growing up...
So, which of these would you take? Both mid-engine manual V8s, Lotus Esprit V8, or Di Tommaso Pantera? I always forget how tall these are. Rolls-Royce Phantom comes up to almost my chin, and I'm 6'2".
One guy that went to the Ferrari meet with me, I was asking him, and I was saying, okay.
Got the Speciale.
Oh, he brought his wife. That's a surprise. Yeah. So he has the R8 gated manual V10, then he has the Speciale. He's also owned about 30 BMWs.
Good looking Challenger Hellcat Red Eye wide body. So pretty much the highest spec you can currently get before the Super Street comes out, or the Super Stock comes out.
So
I need a 600 one day.
I've been trying to like sneakily ask Mike if I can ride in his car for like a year now. And he won't give me a definite response.
in the GT3 RS Weissach. Okay then, the old Alfa Romeo. I love that so much. I hate that it gets dark so early here. It's so annoying. Big boy. I hear a V8. Di Tommaso Pantera. That crazy cool looking C10. I need a 600 LT one day. They've got like a lounge singer, like smooth jazz version of Bad Guy going, and I don't know what is going on anymore. They've got like a lounge singer, like smooth jazz version of Bad Guy going, and I don't know what is going on anymore. Off to the final meet of the night, or of the day. Off to Rooftop with the BMW squad rolling in. Well, at the final meet of the day, we got my Z4 next to my friend's Z4. Both have pretty much the same mods done. I don't know where Trayvon and Andrew and everyone went, so I'll figure that out. There's seriously something for everyone here. Oh, there they are. Never mind. They're over there. There wasn't room for me to park anyway.
I just parked my Lambo because I was like, where's my M4? Damn it, it's already taken. Fucking taken over there. So I was like, fuck it, I'll just go park my Lambo.
I found the one other Z4 and parked with it. Late 24/7. Somehow I kinda doubt that. R33 with the Godzilla, and S14 with a Godzilla for some reason. Some Subies, and bro, is that a Supra? Oh yeah, that's my style. There's the Noble.
Oh shit.
Noble M400. Those are down pretty cheap now, actually.
Why did you bring the Jeep? Because the Jeep's not well.
Hey, you forgot one tier. Got one.
Is that a Supra?
No, my car's the Supra. Okay, this is way. Holy crap.
Oh, yeah.
Hell yeah. We got Johnny's ZR1.
CR1?
Yeah, this. Johnny's ZR1.
I love that.
And then we got this crazy wing on the C7. That's mean. I need one of these though. Noble M400, or no, that's an M12 GTO. The only thing that's annoying, it's Sonata taillights.
So much for the turn radius.
I love the Noble so much though. Evo. Got the TTRS. We got the cops already rolling in. Hey, what up?
I was debating shut down.
Huh?
Morphe's shut down.
Dude, they can't get it also. It's a public parking lot.
Sure. It's like, sir, I'm just looking at the stuff.
I'm just here to look. There's a Ford GT rolling in over there. It looks like people are already trying to leave just because the few cops that showed up. So, maybe that means I'll get some sends early though. Random Rolls Royce Ghost. That's pretty cool. Looks like M4. Navid's M5. Yeah. These are beautiful. This is different. Did not expect to see a Ford GT rolling in. That's clean. Center lock wheels, Ford GT. Damn. The turnout of this is insane. We got these, we got an SLR rolling in over there. This is crazy. Nice two-tone S14. Special edition Supra. That's pretty. 240.
Do you think we can get Yeoman to wear this?
B7 with classic Alpina striping. That is dope as hell.
Oh, drive it there, drive it there.
Aston Martin. Jesus, this is a good turnout.
Remember a year ago was
Dope looking Z33. See ya.
So sick.
There's an S15 right there.
Where?
Right there. That's pretty cool. No, it was right at Keith who's on the phone. What the hell is this meat? There's everything. 720. GTR. There goes Bullwhip. There goes Bullwhip. I didn't know John was here. I saw both of them. I didn't see John. Those fuckers are fat. Right. Christmas time.
she's with MFR in those vehicles.
Exhaust.
That's what it sounds like.
They're telling us to leave because they're saying it's private property. This is public property. Public property. I've never seen so many people scrambling to get out of a car show. None of this is going to end well. I can tell that much right now. We got people forcing their way out of a parking lot for no reason now. And we got people backfiring like crazy too. Great. That I can understand police being angry about, but not this. Hey, no, I'm deaf. No, I'm deaf. Fuck you. Oh my god, you have a Mustang too? I'm going Legacy West. This is bullshit. They shut it down for no reason. I gotta find somewhere to park because there's some crazy looking shit at Del Frisco's. Actually, I'll just drive through, might as well. So, of course, we got normal Corvettes. But look at this. Novitec 458, another 458, another 458. Damn. There's an AMG GT right there. Got a lot of motorcycles, got a lot of tuner cars. So there's an M8 over there and a Rolls. This shit's wild right now. This is wild. This is what happens when you shut down a meet for no reason. Everyone runs to the closest area to do things. And this happens to be it, so everyone's here now. Or a lot of people are, at least. Lifted Denali HD. C63 SL Mille Miglia Edition. 570 Roadster and GT4 and another GT. And you can hear everyone losing their minds. And hold the phone. That is not common. I haven't seen a Tesla Roadster in a long time. Tesla Roadster and a Miami blue wrapped Tesla. Weird. I don't know what's going on, but I need in. I don't know what's going on, but I need in. Tonight now, and I kind of love it. Also, this insane looking Airstream with mouth on it, making it look like a monster, kind of cool. Well, everyone, I think it's time for me to go home. It is late. It is actually like 9:40 almost. I got work in the morning, so I think I'm gonna head home. So if you guys like the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, do all the good stuff, buy some merch, and I'll see you all in the next video. But till then, bye-bye.